Do you know what is a C. elegans? So, welcome to Microscope. Today we are going to know about the C. elegans. It is a nematode worm which is small, simple and precise organism. Now, do you know what is a nematode? It is a worm of phylum nematode. They are among the most abundant animal on earth. They occur as a parasite in animal and plants and as a free living form in soil, fresh water, marine environment and even such unusual places as vinegar, then water filled cracks deep within the earth crust. The nematode, they are the bilaterally symmetrical, elongated and usually tapered at both ends. Some species possess a pseudocoel, a fluid-filled body cavity between the digestive tract and the body wall. So this C. elegans, and it is widely used in research to understand the neuronal and molecular biology. It was the first multicellular organism to have its full genome sequence and a neural wiring mapped. So it has two sexes, a hermaphrodite and a male. So hermaphrodite can be viewed most simple as a female that produces a limited number of sperm. She can reproduce either by self-fertilization using her own sperm or by cross-fertilization after transfer of male sperm by the mating. And self-fertilization allows a single heterozygote worm to produce homozygote progeny. So the life cycle of C. elegans nematode consists of an embryonic stage, 4 larval stage and adulthood. So the entire process takes only about 3 days under favorable condition. First is the embryo, fertilized egg are laid and gone through the development inside a protective eggshell. Then after hatching, the worm molds 4 times at it grows, shedding its cuticle at the end of each stage. Then Dura, alternative stage, if conditions are unfavorable, overcrowded, low food and high temperature is present, the worm can enter a stress resistance larval stage, arresting development for up to several months, and when condition improve, the worm exits the Dura stage and resume its regular development. Then as an adult, the worm become a reproductive adult after the final mold. So the most common form of self-fertilization, hermaphrodite through male, also exists. So the various genes that are involved in the life cycle, like for gene regulation, development and survival, CED3, 4 and 1, EGL1, it is required for most developmental cell death. CYD1 and CDK4, they are essential for initiating the post-embryonic blast cell division. CKI1 keep family member that also regulate the G1 progression and may also specifically the cell fate. Then gene regulation, regulating lifespan and aging. The gene that is required for lifespan and aging are DAF16, DAF12, FOMO1, FOMO2, FOMO3 and FOMO4. So DAF16 is a Fox family transcription factor that extends the lifespan in response to reducing the insulin, that is IGF-1 signaling. Then DAF12 is a nuclear hormone receptor required for germline loss to extend the lifespan. Then FOMO 1, 2, 3 and 4 gene are for flavin containing monooxygenase family. It is involving in metabolic regulation. Then gene regulating the sex determination are TRA1, TRA1, FAME1, 2, 3. The TRA1 is a transcription factor that promote the female development in hermaphrodites, and FAME1, 2 and 3 gene that negatively regulate the TRA1 pathway and determine the sex. So gene involved in metabolism and process are RNR1 encodes a ribonucleoside diphosphate reductase, a key enzyme for DNA synthesis. AHR1 is a aryl hydrocarbon receptor homologue in C. elegans involving in regulating the neuronal development, locomotion, egg laying and defecation. Then CUL1, DP1, DPL1 and CPB1. These are CUL1 is affected at the post embryonic blast cell, DPL1 it is affected the intestine, and CPB1 involved in embryonic cell. These are the genes that are involved in various processes in the life cycle of C. elegans. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.